Welcome to video class students. Today we will discuss some of the typical problems in this statistics. So look at this problem. The following distribution table shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. Find the missing frequency. So here in this table, these are the class intervals and this is the frequency. Look at the frequency. One frequency is missing. See here, it is represented as small f. So you have to find out this f value when the mean value is given. That is, the answer is already given. So for the finding out the mean, direct method, what we have to do, we have to find out first of all the mid values of the class interval. So for finding out the mid values, we will make an average for the lower bound and the upper bound, that is 11 plus 13 by 2. You will get 12. So for every value, we will add the length of a class to get the succeeding one. That is, here in this problem, the length of a class is 2. So we will add 2 to 12, we'll get 14. Again plus 2, 16. Like this, we will put the mid values of the class interval. Now we'll multiply fx, that is 12 sevens, 84, 14 6, 84, 16 9, 144, 18 into 13, 234, 20 into f, 20f, 22 into 5, 110, 24 into 4, 96. So we'll add all the fx values. We will get 752 plus 20f. So we will put this 20f aside and we will add the remaining numbers. We will get 752. To that we will add 20f. So this is a sigma f, and here also we will put the f aside and we will add the remaining numbers. When we add, we'll get 44, and last finally we'll add f, that is 44 plus f. Now we'll write the mean formula, that is a direct method. The formula is sigma fx by sigma f. But here in this problem, the mean is already given. So in place of mean, we can write 18. As we know, the sigma fx is 752 plus 20f and the sigma f is 44 plus f. We will substitute and now we cross multiply like this, and when we multiply 18 into 44, 792, 18 into f, 18f, and the RHS is like this. So here will move 752 to LHS and 18f to RHS like this. When we subtract, we will get 40. Right side will get 2f. So here in this problem, we can easily find out the f value. The f value is 20. So like this we can find out. We'll see one more typical problem in median. That is, if median of 60 observations given below is 28.5, find x and y. So in this table, the class intervals are given and the frequencies are given. See, look at the frequency. There are two unknown values. One is x, the another one is y. First, for finding out the median, we have to find out the cumulative frequencies. That is 5 and here 5 plus x, 5 plus 20, we'll get 25 plus x, 25 plus 15, 40 plus x, 40 plus x plus y, we will get 40 plus x plus y. Again, when we add 40 to 5, we'll get 45 plus x plus y. So when we add, this is a median class, and this is a length of a class. Here it is 10, and this is a lower bound for the median class, and this is a capital F, and this is a small f. And we know the sum of the frequency is nothing but 45 plus x plus y. Here the sum of the frequency, the observations is given. How much it is? It is 60. So I substituted here 60, and we'll write down the formula now, the median formula. The median formula is L plus n by 2 minus capital F by small f into C. Now we'll write down the L values. The lower bound L is 20, N is 60, capital F is 5 plus x, small f is 20, and the C is 10. Now we know the median is 28.5. It is given already here. Now we'll substitute L value here. It is 20, and capital N is nothing but this value, and there are 60 observations, so directly we can put 60 here. 60 by 2 minus capital F, it is 5 plus 6, by small f, it is 20, into C, that is length of a class, it is 10 now. Now this is equal to 60 by 2, it is 30, 10 ones, 10 twos, 20. So first what we'll do, we'll make an LCM, and then we'll cross multiply. When we do an LCM and when we cross multiply, so this 2 will multiply with this 20, you'll get 40, plus when you subtract 5 from 30, you'll get 25. So 40 plus 25, here when you multiply, you'll get 57. 40 plus 25, it is 65 minus x. So here the x value is 65 minus 57, it is 8. So now we know the x value. Now we have to find out the y value also. We know the sum of the frequencies, it is 45 plus x plus y is 60. Now we'll take this equation here, and we know the x value, will substitute 8 in place of x. We will get 53 plus y, and the y value is 60 minus 53, that is equal to 7. So this is the method to solve the problem. And if you get this type of problems also, you can easily solve the problem. So you get the problem, watch. If you have any doubts, you watch once or twice and try to solve problems. So when you work out the problems, then only you'll get the mastery over the problems. So thank you. Thank you, students, for listening.